Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video, we learned how to update the records with the help of stored procedure. In this video, we will learn how to select all the records from the table or select a specific record from the table based on the parameter. Let's see how we can achieve it in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database where you want to create the procedure and then click on new query. Before writing the stored procedure, just write select star from employee table and then see how many records we have here. We have 3 records. Let's comment it with the help of 2 hyphen and then we can remove this result with the help of Control R. Now start creating the procedure. Create procedure name USP select employee and then a small bracket as begin and end. Let's write the parameter here, mode integer and then @ employee ID. This is how we can create the parameter with the use of @ and then write here the query mode @mode equal to 1. Then you want to select all records. Let's copy this query completely and change the mode equal to 2. In this query we'll add where clause employee ID equal to @employee ID. So whatever the parameter we are passing here, it will get here and based on that it will select the record. Now we just need to execute it. It is executed successfully. Again we need to press Control R. It will have the screen and then execute procedure and then specify here the mode 1. For mode 1, let's see whether it is executing or not. Just select it as it is asking for 2 parameters, but in this case we only want 1 parameter, that is @mode. Execute it. You will see that this procedure failed in calling the result. It is expecting @employee ID, which is not passing. So in this case what we need to do, here we need to specify null and then just change the procedure, alter with the help of this command. We can alter the existing stored procedure. Just select complete stored procedure query and execute. As we are specifying null, that means when we call this stored procedure, it will not ask for employee ID. Now just select it and execute this query. You can see that it is executed successfully and giving the result of 3 records as we have select star from employee. Now if we want to call the mode 2, then we need to pass this employee ID. Let's see whether it is giving the result or not. It is not giving the expected result as we are not passing employee ID. Let's pass the employee ID and then see whether it is giving the result. Yes, it is giving the employee ID 1 and employee name Mohan. Let's change the value to 3 and see whether it is giving the result or not. Just select the query and click on execute. Yes, it is giving the result expected. So this is how we can call the mode and we can pass the parameter. We can specify more parameters based on the requirement. That's it from this video. Thank you for listening.